Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an excellent entry point for first-time drone pilots and aerial photography fans, combining safety, portability, and strong imaging performance. With a takeoff weight of just 249 g, it avoids FAA registration requirements, making it easy to get into the air quickly. DJI also adds built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to support safer flights, giving beginners extra peace of mind. The Flip comes with a dedicated remote controller in its standard kit, but you can also operate it through the smartphone app or even directly using the on-aircraft controls. Its camera is another major highlight. The Flip captures crisp 4K 60 video and offers both RAW, DNG, and JPG still photos at either 12MP or 48MP resolutions, rivaling the image quality of today's flagship phones. Who it's for? Beginners will appreciate the Flip's lightweight design and safety-focused features, including obstacle sensing and integrated propeller guards. Its stabilized 4K 60 video and choice of 12MP or 48MP photos deliver impressive results with minimal effort. Photo and video enthusiasts will enjoy the RAW photo support for detailed edits and the flat D-Log-M video profile, which gives filmmakers more flexibility when color grading. Recreational flyers benefit from the sub-250 g weight, which removes the need for FAA registration. However, because it lacks remote ID, it is not suitable for professional or commercial use. Specs and configuration. Dimensions: 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: integrated 48MP with gimbal. Video: 4K. Storage: internal plus microSD-XC. Control options: remote, smartphone/tablet app. Live feed: 1080p. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 stands out as one of the strongest entry-level drone options thanks to its impressive camera, long flight time, and user-friendly design. Its imaging system is particularly noteworthy, capturing sharp 4K 30 video with an HDR-style look in both landscape and true vertical orientation, perfect for social media. The camera's 60-degree upward tilt also allows for creative framing not found on many beginner drones. Photo performance is solid, with support for 12MP JPG and RAW DNG files, while the bright f/1.7 lens helps maintain quality during low-light moments at dawn or dusk. Safety tools like GPS stabilization, Find My Drone, and Return to Home add reliability, and its 249 g takeoff weight keeps it below FAA registration requirements. Only an online knowledge test is needed to fly legally. Battery performance is another advantage, offering up to 38 minutes of flight time, though the lack of obstacle avoidance is a drawback for new pilots. Who it's for? Recreational flyers will enjoy the Mini 3's lightweight build, strong GPS stability, and easy-to-use return-to-home function. It's ideal for anyone flying purely for fun. Content creators benefit from the flexible camera, which can switch between widescreen and vertical formats mid-flight, allowing you to record YouTube-ready footage and TikTok-friendly clips in the same session. Licensed pilots can also use the Mini 3 thanks to its remote ID support. Professionals who create real estate imagery, monetize YouTube videos, or film weddings should note that remote ID requires the extended 51-minute battery. Specs and configuration. Dimensions: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: integrated 12MP on gimbal. Video: 4K. Storage: microSD-XC. Remote options: app-based or LCD controller. Live feed: 1080p. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 shows that DJI isn't the only company capable of producing a strong, well-rounded drone. This lightweight 249G quadcopter avoids FAA registration requirements for hobbyists but still manages to deliver impressive imaging performance and includes built-in remote ID, making it suitable for professional use. Its 4K 30 camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable footage, while still photographers can choose between 12MP or 48MP images, including the option to shoot in RAW DNG for detailed editing. In testing, the Atom 2 proved reliable and easy to handle, supported by a solid 32-minute flight battery and a dedicated remote control included in the box. Who it's for? Beginners will appreciate the Atom 2's strong value and straightforward design. It delivers crisp photos and stabilized 4K 30 video at an appealing price, and the included remote control makes it easier to get started. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful flying makes it a solid first drone for new pilots. Recreational flyers can take advantage of its sub-250G weight, which exempts it from FAA registration as long as the drone is used strictly for fun. Licensed pilots will find the Atom 2 especially appealing because it's one of the few lightweight drones that integrates remote ID. This makes it appropriate for FAA-certified professionals working in real estate photography, paid YouTube content creation, stock footage sales, and other commercial drone applications. Specs and configuration. Dimensions: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: integrated 48MP with 3-axis gimbal. Video: 4K. Storage: microSD. Remote: dedicated controller with app support. Live feed: 1080p. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an excellent pick for anyone who wants a lightweight, easy-to-use drone designed primarily for quick selfies and smooth landscape videos. Compact and incredibly portable, it features fully integrated propeller guards that make it safe to launch and land directly from your hand, perfect for beginners or casual flyers. Despite its small size, the Neo records steady 4K video and offers a flight time of around 18 minutes per battery charge. You can control it manually through the smartphone app, or pair it with a dedicated remote control sold separately for a more traditional flight experience. While its video profile isn't as advanced as DJI's higher-end drones, it still delivers social media-ready footage that looks clean and polished, especially considering its accessible $199 starting price. Who it's for? Beginners will appreciate how easy the Neo is to operate. With built-in propeller guards and several automated flight paths, the drone practically flies itself. Hand takeoff and landing make operation even simpler, and its sub-249G weight keeps it free from FAA registration requirements. Selfie-focused users benefit from the Neo's on-drone controls, which allow you to capture quick selfie clips without even launching an app. It's ideal for adding dynamic aerial shots to your social media feed. Recreational flyers will enjoy the freedom to fly without registering the drone and the ability to operate it using either a smartphone or a separately purchased remote. Professionals, however, should skip it because it lacks remote ID and isn't suited for commercial use. Specs and configuration. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 in. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: integrated 12MP with gimbal. Video: 4K. Media: internal storage. Remote options: smartphone/tablet app. Live feed: 1080p. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. First-person view, FPV, drones offer a dramatically different flying experience by streaming an ultra-low-latency live feed from the drone's camera directly into a pair of goggles. Instead of observing the drone from the outside, FPV flight places you in a pilot-style perspective, making it feel as though you are riding inside a small, agile aircraft. FPV drones are built for thrilling maneuverability, capable of weaving through tight spaces and performing dramatic moves like flips, loops, barrel rolls, and sharp dives. They aren't designed for capturing calm, scenic landscapes but for creating energetic, fast-paced footage that resembles an action sport point of view. Because of this focus on speed and agility, flying an FPV drone is far more challenging than operating a traditional camera drone. FPV systems typically lack the crash prevention tools that assist many beginner drones, and their faster pace gives pilots less time to react. DJI's Avata 2 helps make this style of flying more approachable. It supports high-quality recording at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, and although it doesn't include automated obstacle avoidance, features like its motion-sensitive controller and the ability to brake and hover quickly provide more control and make it more forgiving for learners. The Avata 2's goggles are another standout feature. They connect seamlessly to the drone and display a sharp, clear image through dual micro-OLED screens. They also accommodate users with varying eyesight needs thanks to adjustable interpupillary distance and built-in diopter controls. Flying the Avata 2 feels somewhat like an introduction to FPV, offering excitement while still maintaining features that support safety and accessibility.